Do you want to get reply of your favorite creator? Then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to talk about that how you can get replies from your favorite creators. So let's get started. So two things that you need to avoid if you want replies from the creators. Number one, stop sending your content. Yes, I see so many people who are just sending their content on anybody's DM. Anybody. If you want replies and if you want to get a good network, then you have to stop doing this right away. Yes, because in this way you are just forcing your engagement. Rather than engagement coming to you, you are going to people and begging to them to engage on your content, and that's not how Instagram works. And that's not how people want or Instagram want. And that's affecting your brand. Yes, it's affecting your brand. So rather than sending content on any one DM, you can start with a good connection. How to do it? I'll tell you in later. Number two, just sending hi and waiting for a reply. My friends, mark this. You are never going to get reply of a hi. Like, why a person will reply to a hi? Because they don't know you. They don't know why you have approached them. Write a full-fledged message, not just hi. If you want to ask any question, ask that, but don't write hi. Now, how you have to craft your message to get replies? Use this template, and this is definitely going to help you. Number one, start with hey, their name. Number two is appreciate them. Appreciate the content they are posting, the work they are doing, and be specific. If you are appreciating about their content, then you have to be specific. Let's suppose you are messaging someone whose latest content was regarding Instagram growth. Now they have shared 4 tips. So you can share that I really like the second tip you shared, that was XYZ, and I learned so many things from that. Third thing is introducing yourself, because you are reaching out to other persons, so they should also know you. So introduce yourself, what do you do, whom do you help, and anything you want to share. And also remember, keep it short. Do not write a long message, just a short message. Fourth thing, just say that I'm looking forward to connect. Don't write that follow me, engage with my content. No, this thing will automatically happen if you start engaging on DMs. If you start the conversation, Instagram will know that you are good friends, and Instagram will show their content on your feed. So just say that, hey, I'm looking forward to connect with you, I'm building a network, or anything you want to say, but do not say that follow me or engage with my content, and just say thank you. That's it. If you're following this template, then definitely you are going to get replies of your creators, and this is tested and tried. I still remember that day when I was having very less followers, 200 or 300 followers I was having, and I asked a question to an Instagram page which was having 2 lakh, 3 lakh followers. And they gave me reply. Yes, they took 24 hours, and you have to wait for it. Be patient. And also, not 100% people are going to reply, but the people who is going to see your message, they will definitely reply you. So all the best. Reply this, use this template and let me know how this works for you. Thank you.